We're gonna go over how to clean the belt on the Durst. We got a brand new belt, and every time we print on it, that's when we get some inconsistencies in the print, some peaks and valleys on the belt. We really don't want that. We're gonna take our leftover laminate that roll gives us. I usually cut it in half, then 18-inch sections or so. So I have one of those here now. This is a 26 by 18 or so. We take this laminate, I'm gonna peel it. We're just gonna put this onto the place where we know the belt is soiled. As you can see right here, we've got some ink on the belt, so we wanna make sure we get that off. Avoid these flaps, and then put this down here. A couple of important notes to keep in mind while we're cleaning the belt is we can't use any solution on it. That means alcohol, press wash, water, anything. We want to keep this hydrated, and any of that will dry it out. In addition to that, we want to make sure we don't use any blades, knives, or anything that could scrape and physically damage the belt. We're just gonna squeegee that on there. So what we're gonna do, it's pretty easy. Just take it, rip it off. Since this is a new belt, it comes off pretty easy. So we're gonna just try and keep on this as much as possible. If at any time during your shift this happens, we need to clean it immediately, or at the very least at the end of the shift. So look at all that. We got a ton of it. So same thing. Peel the laminate off the backing, put it on the belt, squeegee, then we'll peel it off.